If VLC Media Player is not playing your videos, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get everything working again. This is a common issue, and most of the time, it comes down to an outdated version, a codec setting, or a video output option that needs to be changed. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot VLC and get your videos playing smoothly again. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click Help. Then choose Check for Updates. VLC will now look for the latest version available. If an update is available, install it right away because older versions can sometimes cause playback problems, bugs, or compatibility issues with certain video files. After the update finishes, restart VLC completely so the changes can take effect. Now try playing a different video file. This is an important step because it helps you figure out whether the issue is with VLC itself or just one specific video. If one file won't play, but others work fine, then the problem may be with that file's format, codec, or corruption. If none of your videos play, then the issue is more likely a VLC setting or system compatibility problem, so keep going with the next steps. Next, click Tools, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Input, Power and Codec section. Look for the setting called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. This option can sometimes cause playback issues depending on your graphics driver or system setup. Change it to Disable. After that, click Save. Then close VLC completely and reopen it. Once VLC is back open, try your video again and check whether it now plays properly. If the video still does not play, we're going to change the video output settings. Go back to Tools, then Preferences. This time, under Show Settings, select All. This will reveal the advanced VLC options. On the left side, find Video, then click Output Modules. Here you'll see the output setting, which controls how VLC sends video to your screen. Change the output option to Automatic first and test it. If that doesn't work, go back and try Direct 3D11. If that still fails, try OpenGL. The goal here is to test each output module one by one, because different computers and graphics setups respond better to different options. After each change, click Save, restart VLC, and test the video again. This may take a few tries, but it often fixes the problem when VLC shows a black screen, freezes, or refuses to play video properly. If you've gone through those steps and VLC still will not play videos, the final fix is to reset VLC settings back to default. To do that, go to Tools, then Preferences again. At the bottom, click Reset Preferences. Confirm the reset when prompted, then restart VLC. This will clear out any broken or conflicting settings and return the player to its original state, which often solves stubborn playback issues. Once VLC restarts, try opening your video file again. In many cases, one of these fixes will resolve the issue right away. Start with the update, then test a different video, then disable hardware acceleration, then change the output module, and finally reset preferences if needed. That step-by-step approach gives you the best chance of finding the exact cause. If this video helped you fix VLC Media Player not playing videos, please tap like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.